Hi guys, in today's video I will show you that how you can download and install the Amazon shopping app on your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. First you have to just open up your any browser and here in the Google search box just type the Amazon shopping and hit the enter, and now open up the first website which is the Amazon official website. So you need to just open this website. So once it was open, here you need to just click on the three dot option you are seeing on the top, and now here you will find the option of save and share. Just go to it and you will see the option of create shortcut here. And if you don't find this option, then you will also see the option of install on the top. And if you also don't find it, just click on the three dot, go to the save and share, and then click on the install page as app, and then click on the install option, and then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. And guys, this is the Amazon app, and now it will be open into your PC. And now it works same as the website. You can also uninstall it by clicking on the three dot option, and the shortcut of this app was also added to your desktop so you can access it anytime. And guys, this is how you can download and install the Amazon app on your PC or laptop, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please like the video and bye bye.